Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 10 of Microsoft Power BI PL 300 exam preparation series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode 10, covering the question number 10 on the ongoing practice set 1. So today's topic is data connector in Power BI, and I will be looking at a similar question on this topic. And also, in case you have not followed this series, I have already created a playlist on this channel. You can go through it so that you are not missing out on any questions. That being said, let's go to the question directly. This is a scenario based question. Imagine you are a business analyst working for a manufacturing company. You are tasked with creating a Power BI report to analyze data from a custom production tracking application that your team built using Microsoft Power Apps. This application is fully integrated within Microsoft Teams, where your production team uses it to record production data, track orders, and manage inventory. So, the question is to build your Power BI report and access the data from this Power Apps production tracking application. Which connector should you use in Power BI desktop? Option 1 is Microsoft Teams, option 2 is Excel Workbook, option 3 is Dataverse, option 4 is Azure SQL Database. So I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think which is the solution. So your time is up. Let's see what is the solution for this question. It's option C, Dataverse. Let's look at the explanation and resources. We have this connector called Dataverse in Microsoft Power BI Desktop, where you can connect to Power Apps. And on this slide, you can pause the video here. You can check the availability of the connector data models in security access for this one. And on to the next slide, again, you can see why other options are incorrect and what is a key takeaway on this topic. And again, you can pause this video here so that you can go through this slide. So that is on this one. Moving forward to the resources, I have been leveraging this course on Udemy, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. And on this topic, there is an article on Udemy called Prepare Data. You can go through it. And the Microsoft Learn article on Dataverse connector, which we will look just now. That is on this one. Let's directly jump to the article. We have this article on Microsoft Learn on creating a report using Dataverse. So what you need to do is you need to have a desktop or web desktop open where you can go to get data, right? And if you click on get data, there is an option of Dataverse, right, which you can see. That is on this one. Again, in this article, it covers special column types and etc. on this connectors and or your environment. Unfortunately, I don't have PPI service access as of now, so I can't show it to you. But you have these connectors available as your similar connectors like the one on Excel workbook connecting CSV files. It's available on Get Data. You can click on it and just it will open up. That is on this topic. And again, I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.